Hello cookbook friends, this is Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and today I got this gift in the mail from Octopus Books. It's the Turmeric Cookbook, so thank you for that. It's published by Aster, which is a division under Octopus Books, which is part of Hachette. It's starting to get complicated in the publishing land. Anyway, this just came out January 4, and it's a perfect book for the new year. I'm going to take a little look at the note that they included with it. Ancient healer, modern alchemist. Turmeric has been harvested for over 5,000 years and it's native Indonesia. I wondered where it came from. It's a key ingredient in many dishes and medicinal remedies throughout the region. It's rising in popularity around the world. I'm definitely seeing it on lots and lots of food bloggers' recipes lately. It's anti-inflammatory, a powerful medicine that's long been used in the Chinese and Indian systems of medicine. It could help. It may contain anti-cancer properties, inflammatory bowel disease, Crohn's, rheumatoid arthritis. It can help with liver function. I need that because I like to drink wine. It becomes more active either when cooked or combined with other specific ingredients such as ginger and black pepper. Well, that's going to be a problem because I am allergic to ginger, but I'm not allergic to black pepper. You can use it in root or powder form. I use it in powder form. Turmeric can be used in juices, smoothies, infusions, soups, curries, pulses, stews. You can use it for roasting vegetables. Ooh, adding to hummus. Oh, I didn't think to do that. Yogurt. I'm probably not going to put turmeric in my peach Tillamook yogurt today, but you can use it in marinades for fish, meat, or tofu. Well, let's check out this cookbook. I flipped through really quick and saw gorgeous photography. There's no specific author name. I think it's the Aster Publishing Company's employees. So let's check out the table of contents. It's a tiny little cookbook. It's not heavy. Yay! My arm has been getting sore holding up some of the heavy cookbooks. Chapter starts off with breakfast, snacks and condiments, soups, vegetarian dishes, yay! Fish and meat dishes, sweets, drinks, and then a section on beauty, like I'm assuming a turmeric face mask, as long as it doesn't turn my face yellow. Introduction, I'm going to read that later. Turmeric and black pepper, preparation and uses, when everything turns yellow. Okay, what do they say about that? The only problem with turmeric is that it can easily discolor your pots and pans, your worktops, and even your hands and fingernails. Well, when you think about it, people pay good money to have brown henna put on their hands in designs, so maybe I should have turmeric on my yellow skin. Lemon juice or white vinegar can remove the coloring. Okay. Breakfast, first chapter. Now I can't show you the whole cookbook, so I'll just grab a few. Here's Bircher Muesli with turmeric honey. Coconut and cashew granola with turmeric. Ooh, a pretty photo spread. This is fun to look through. Nice photos. Deviled scrambled eggs with avocado toast. Adding a few spices to your eggs makes the perfect accompaniment to avocado on toast. This dish is great for a Sunday brunch. There's a frittata, smoked mackerel turmeric congee, and now we're in snacks and condiments. Bliss balls. What's in them? An apple, flaxseed, almonds, turmeric, cinnamon, cacao powder, coconut oil, and honey. Turmeric hummus. Sounds good to me. Turmeric banana bread. Whoa, I never would have thought of that combo. I'm up for that. Turmeric mustard. That one's more obvious. Turmeric infused oil. Vegetables pickled with turmeric. Love the photos. Good job. Soup chapter. Ginger and turmeric carrot soup. Well, I would not be able to use the ginger at my house. I would just put in some extra pepper. There's something called khichdi, based on an Ayurvedic cleansing soup. Bacon and egg drop miso. Squash and coconut dal. Chicken cow soy with a very tiny picture. Aw, I wanted it to be larger. And coconut chicken soup with turmeric and kale. Great for winter, right? Vegetarian dishes. Yay, thank you, thank you. Corn on the cob with turmeric butter. I've never thought of doing it that way. That sounds perfect. New potato salad with turmeric and tahini dressing. I love potatoes. Roast eggplant with tofu and turmeric dengako. Hey, I have eggplant in the house right now. Sweet potato bulgur, 5 vegetable tagine. Yellow rice with coconut halloumi. A Buddha bowl. I knew there was going to be a Buddha bowl in here. Turmeric gnocchi. A bindi masala curry. Nice. Fish and meat dishes. I'll look through a couple of those for you. Turmeric shrimp linguine. Salmon glazed with miso and turmeric with wilted greens. And there's the fish. Keralan fish curry. I'm surprised it didn't stain the rice more yellow. And mussels with turmeric. A beef stew using turmeric. I bet that's awesome in winter. Roast chicken with tandoori rub. Yeah, but if you don't have a tandoori oven, it's not the same. Lamb cutlets in turmeric coconut marinade with a tiny picture. Sweets. Turmeric maple ice cream. I would taste that, sure. Might not be my favorite thing to do. Oh, popcorn. Yeah, just sprinkle it on popcorn. Good idea. For movie night. At my house during the pandemic, movie night is every night though, so I can't be eating popcorn every night. Here's turmeric chai muffins. Coconut rice pudding with turmeric. And now we're on the drinks chapter. Apple turmeric tonic. That sounds refreshing. Carrot and orange tonic. Turmeric toddy. Can I put bourbon in it? It just says ginger, turmeric, peppercorns, water, honey, and thyme sprigs. No bourbon. Turmeric tea. I drink that a lot actually, but I don't make it from scratch. I use a tea bag. Golden milk. Yum. And milk is spelled with a Y, so you can use almond or coconut milk. Turmeric champagne? Well, why would you spoil your champagne that way? But if you're trying to be healthier, fine. But if I was trying to be really healthy, I wouldn't be drinking the champagne, and I love champagne. Okay, I'll try it. Fine. Beauty. Turmeric and milk face mask. Does it turn my face yellow? Right. Turmeric and coconut oil face mask, a body scrub, and an index. I hope you enjoyed this look through of the brand new January 2022 Turmeric Cookbook from, remind me the publisher name. I gotta take a quick peek because I innately forgot it. Aster. Okay. From Aster via Octopus Books. If you'd like to see more of our cookbook look-throughs and reviews, you can find them at cookbookdivas.com, our blog. We talk about cookbooks on our podcast, the Cookbook Divas podcast. We post cookbook news on Facebook and Instagram, and of course videos on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching.